Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. We're going to continue on from our last exercise. So here we're sitting at our level 1 ceiling plan. And then over here in our project browser, we started our drawings, and we're going to rename what we have here and here. So here I got stuck here. So there's my level 2. There's no preset drawing, and there's nothing here really for me to drag. Okay. Actually, there is. I can use one of these from the lighting plan, but I'm going to say that for electrical. So I'm going to just do this. See what's going on here. Okay. There it is right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rename this. Let me look at it and see what it is. That's the one we got lost. So I'm going to right click here. I'm going to rename this to level 2 reflective ceiling plan, or whatever I've been calling them. Yeah, this here. Okay, so I'm going to use that one. Now here, let's put it right. No, I did not. Rename that to this. We'll say okay. So now I'm going to go back into my 104. I'm going to grab him and bring him over just to use this drawing here. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to activate this view. I'm going to this view properties, and this is under discipline coordination. Let's just change this to architectural. Apply. Okay, now we want to change the scale. Make this 1/4 inch. Okay, so now we deactivate this and grab the view and just drag it over. And just position it now. You can use grids if you like. There now. And you know how to do this. Then we'll crop this guy here. And turn on our crop region. Just grab and adjust this. Now you got some add-ons or like Dynamo that I think can do this stuff for you, which is great because you have to actually go through everything basically. So there's our second floor ceiling plan, a level 2 reflective ceiling plan. So now we've got another, I think the next to the sequence of these drawings would be the roof. So let's go and see what we had over here for our roof. Let's look at this. That might work for us. So I'll go here. Let me see. Here's our roof plan that we already had all set up. Doesn't have a sheet on it, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to just right click here. I'm going to rename this guy, and this is going to be my A105. And this will be our roof plan. Just say okay. So now I'm going to go find that roof. Now drag and drop it right on this sheet. Oh, actually, it should have changed the scale actually. Simply disactivate it and so now you got your plans basically done, all of them. Let's show this in fine view. Yep. And we'll crop this guy. Now we had to go through every drawing discipline, electrical, mechanical, so I think the next discipline would probably be structural. We'll doing this up here like so. So that's basically how you do the plan. So we got our plan drawings all set up. Go to my project browser here, and there's our drawings form in there. So we got our level 1, our level 2, and our first floor reflected, our second level, and our roof plan. So now let's go back and look and see what Autodesk gave us for our elevations. So this is sheets were already set. Let's see what's on them. Okay, so these are elevations, and they are already set up on the sheet, which is nice. You can do other views this way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to activate this view, and I'm going to see if I can change this to 1/4 of an inch. I think I can. Yep, that might work. And I'm going to just drag this over, just that guy in there, and then again, activate the view and crop it with the show crop region. So it's basically simple, straightforward, setting up sheets for construction documentation, but for commercial, yeah, you have to put a little more, there's a little more going on with the other disciplines especially. So I'm going to take that one, that's good. Okay, and I'm going to deactivate this view, grab this guy, and change the scale. 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so there's our, let me see, so there's our elevations. So I'm going to show you that one, and then maybe we get another sheet of elevations here that we can use. Yes, and we'll just do the same thing here. Make this 1/4 of an inch. Okay. Bring him over. Activate this view. Thought about using view templates, but maybe that's for later, but I think we did all that. So that was a good thing about this project, the way we did it, is a lot of stuff done based on view templates. So I'm gonna leave that like that for now, so we can move on. And then, you know, after that, they left us some building sections. Now here, we need to rename this sheet here. Now elevations is starting another number 6, so I'm going to right click here. I'm going to rename this. And I'm going to call this A200. Actually, oh, I don't want to not that one. I want to do this one right here. Rename this one. This will be our A200. We'll go okay. And then this other sheet will be my A201. So I'm going to rename this one. Okay, so we've got our elevations going. We've got, so let's take a quick look. Okay, let's do a building section, and then we'll be pretty much done with the architecture. So to create a building section, which I don't think they did for us, no, they did not. So we have to do our own. So let's do one, and then we'll move on. We'll go to my floor plan drawing, my level 1. And let's say we'll do a section right through here. Let's take one that way. And let's have a look at it. I think that will work for us. Go back into that little one drawing, and I'll do another one this way. Do a long section. I kind of like to see the stairs, so let's flip this guy around. Let's see what we got. That should work as well. I don't see the stairs, but that's okay. We'll fix that later. So go back to my wall sections drawing now, and then I'll go down 2 sections. Actually, those are building sections. Okay. I'm trying to see that they give us one on here. I didn't see those. Actually they did. How about that? They gave us wall sections. So, wow, I like it. So I'm going to just put these building sections on here. Let me see that they give us building sections. Actually, they do. How about that? So let me just go back here. So we can wrap this guy up. I didn't even have to do that. So, and I didn't know that. So anyway, folks, I'm gonna leave it there. And then here go my cross section now to be here. And we give this the appropriate name, and then they got the long section, it'll go here. So our views are already set up in this template, which is great. So guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Let me make this fine view. I'm going to go ahead and continue creating these sheets. So like I said, right now so far over here in the project browser, we have, let's do a window tile here. So I can do WT here. So this is where we are so far. We got our plans and elevations. So I'm going to continue on with this. Is going to turn into about 50 sheets. So hey guys, thanks for watching. See you next video. Please subscribe. It helps to make videos like this every day. Next, we'll look at the electrical drawings and continue with architecture. Bye. Be safe, everybody. Please subscribe.